Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Danish Teaches. Today we will learn about the chapter Getting No to Plants. This is the chapter in class 6th NCERT book. Today we will learn about the outlook, or we can say the important information related to the plants. Then we will divide this chapter in some parts, and we will learn each of the important topics in those parts. So basically, today we will understand about the important facts about these plants. So the first important fact about the plants is that there are approximately 320,000 species of plants found on all continents, and still scientists are discovering new plants every day. That is, this is a rough estimation. Still, in most of the sources of the Wikipedia, they are claiming that there is more than these amount of species of plants present or discovered till yet on the earth. Then the second important fact about the plant is that 90% of the foods people eat come just from 30 plants. Yet there are over 80,000 edible plants in the world. It means that we have the 80,000 plants in the world which are eatable, which are edible. But still, out of these 80,000, only 30 plants make our food up to 90%. That is, 90% of our food come or came just from 30 plants only, and these other edible plants make only 10% of our food. So coming to the third important point, that is, the typical mature tree can provide enough wood to make 170,100 pencils. That a mature tree or a mature big tree can provide enough wood by which we can manufacture or create 170,100 pencils. That is a huge amount. Then there is a fourth important point, that is, some insects can eat some plants can eat insects and are called carnivorous plants. That is, one of the example of this carnivorous plants is pitcher plant. And these plants use a special structure called traps, and with the help of these traps they trap the insects in these, and when the insect is tired out of the hunger or any other factor, then they release a special enzyme or special these acids which digest these insects, and then they get their nutrients from these insects. And there are some important points about that we will learn in this unit in later on chapter. Then, what plants can communicate with each other through chemical signals? Most of the plants, herbs is there, shrubs is there, trees are there, they communicate with each other through the chemical signals, and they warn the nearby plants that there is some type of danger. It is what these chemicals, when they release, they just provide some important information about the presence of the herbivore or any other animal which can provide harm to these plants. Then the sixth important point, that is, trees have the longest lifespan of all organisms on earth. You may be very amazing to hear that the plants have, or the trees have, the longest lifespan on earth. And the Great Basin Bristol cone pine, this is a tree which has been found in the forests of California, that is present in the United States of America, and scientists have found that it has lived 4,789 years. That is a huge number of years it has been living. Then the seventh important point is that the grass makes up 26% of life on Earth. That means it is grass. That is, grass is makes the 1/4 of the total plant life on earth. That is a huge number. And grass are actually the herbs, or it is also included in the weed category. That means these are, there has is no other natural, or we can say other competitors, so they get so much of amount of these in a number that it makes 26% of all plant life on earth. Then the banana tree, you all may have gone through about the banana tree. Actually, the banana tree is not a tree; it is a herb, not a tree. Because they have grain and they complete their life cycle in one or more seasons. That is why they come into category of herbs. This was the first this part of this video. We will continue in next part. Thank you, and I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video to your students who didn't get or who are very who are not good in science. I will try my best to complete this unit to them, and they will, inshallah, they will find this lecture very helpful in passing their examinations and in everyday science. Thank you very much.